speed.
So everybody, welcome to Damn Fast. Today...
zie je denk je hand. Je moet hem verder.
Do you see my... Oh.
Yeah.
So everybody, welcome to Damn Fast. Today we are in the new Polestar 2. The sedan version.
Niet dat moet ik allemaal
We are in the Polestar 2 with 2 engines.
Yeah.
And a combined output of
And how much horsepower does it have?
Yeah, I was just going to tell you. 408 horsepower and 300 kilowatt.
Oh, that's cool.
And there's actually a sticker on the car, like here beneath, which says that it has 300 kilowatts.
Oh, ik dacht made in China.
Yes, that as well.
And yeah, if you take a look to the interior, it's all really nice. Some wood accents, some cloth. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
I think it's all like a vegan interior thing.
Yes.
So it's all. This is heated.
Yeah,
it's a heated steering wheel. That's nice.
That's really strange. All right, so let's find out how fast this car is from 0 to 100. Yeah.
Yeah. So everything is in sport.
Sport mode.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
Whoa! It's a lot quicker than when we sit with 4 people. Yeah, it drives really fast, actually.
It drives really fast. It's quick.
Yeah, it's quick. It's definitely quick.
But now we have to do a drag race. Now he's gone.
Now he's gone.
And I love this. There's a Polestar in the panoramic sunroof. That's great.
So thanks for watching to this Polestar 2. We enjoyed driving it and it was really fast. Yeah, it's electric car of course, but I think it's quite fast. So make sure to subscribe down below. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs. We're going pretty well, I think, but hopefully we already have it, but I think you have to subscribe. So thanks for watching and also see you guys next time.
Ciao.
Yeah, okay, but I can knip this on the...
No, you cannot knip this. Okay.
Oh.